Vilnius has the potential to be anything you want it to be. A natural green oasis, a museum, an adventure park and even a music venue. And we're not hiding anything from you. All of this and much more is out here in the open, right in the center of the city. Spend some time outside in Vilnius to get some vitamin D. Green wherever you look, that's the essence of Vilnius. A calm ambience, fresh air and spectacular views are always guaranteed. There is no need to rush, you may explore Vilnius at your own leisure. Take a walk or simply sit and marvel at nature's beauties. The riverside and its scenic walkway are ideal for biking throughout the city. The tour begins with an open-air gallery by renowned street artists with the towers of Vilnius and the old town on the left. The route leads to Vingis Park, where nature and fresh forest air combine to provide a perfect location to stop and rest with a cup of coffee in hand. Vilnius is very welcoming to people who love going for a walk while keeping track of their steps. Discovering the city by foot is a unique experience that allows you to discover its secret corners, fewer traveled roads and unique paths. Most locations in Vilnius might be reached by walking for a few minutes. That is why, despite the fact that the city provides many various ways of travel, residents prefer walking, and you can't blame them. Walking allows you to appreciate the beautiful architecture in greater detail, inspires you to explore new secret locations, and most importantly keeps you in shape. It's a win scenario for everybody. If you're sitting outside in Vilnius, you're probably in a cafe. More than 100 pubs, cafes and restaurants have moved their operations outside to allow physical distancing, filling plazas and other public spaces with pop-up tables and converting the city into a massive outdoor cafe that spans the whole old town. Enjoy your favorite drink or meal while taking in a breathtaking view of one of Europe's most beautiful medieval villages warmed by the summer sun. Those who like magnificent views could pay a visit to Gediminas Castle or the Campanile of St. John's and take in an outstanding view of Vilnius. The Gates of Dawn is famous for a picture that is claimed to have miraculous abilities and to have seen the Virgin Mary. A romantic evening might begin with a walk through the urban environment of abandoned factories and an exploration of street art at the open gallery. The surrounding Loftus Art Factory provides a fantastic backdrop for electronic or contemporary music. At the end of the evening, it's worth stopping into downtown food hall for some food and conversation with friends, and maybe even to see a movie at the cozy Kino Deli. The city is stunning in all 4 seasons. However, it becomes more appealing and vibrant during the festival season. During the St. Casimir Fair, the Folklore Festival Skamba Skamba Kanklai, Cultural Night, Capital Days, or the St. Christopher Festival, crowds flood the streets and live music is played in squares, parks, churches and concert halls. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.